Hi, I wanted to jump on really fast and make a quick video about how to clean your brushes. So if you're not cleaning your brushes, you definitely should be doing that at least once a week. This cream makeup can definitely build up on your brushes and it will make your makeup go on not as smooth and perfect as you might like. So once a week, I recommend cleaning your brushes. I'm going to show you with this Saint brush cleaner. And what's so nice about this is you basically spray it on, clean your brushes, and then they are cleaned, sanitized, it conditions your bristles, and they're ready to use right away. So before, when I used to clean my brushes, I had a cool like spinning machine. I had a spray that you would actually use as a soap, but everything I did, I'd have to let them sit out and dry overnight or at least for a few hours. So what's so awesome about this cleaner is that you can use your brushes right away. So it is fantastic. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to clean this one. This is my 3D brush. And basically you're just going to spray the product on. And then once you have the product sprayed on, a little bit goes a long way for sure. You're going to use a towel like this one. So I have an Aquas microfiber towel, and Saint actually makes microfiber towels as well. And I've ordered those. They should be arriving today. So I will report back. I'm sure they're incredibly awesome, but I'll let you know how those work once I get them. So then I'm just going to take the brush and I'm just brushing it on the microfiber towel right here. Okay. You see that? Okay. Nice and clean. Looks like it is brand new. Probably need to squirt the sides a little bit more, but look at that. It is ready for me to use. It is dry. I can use this right away. I just got makeup on it because I just put it all over my face, but ready to go. Okay, can you guys see that there? So this stuff is awesome. I highly recommend it, and I highly recommend cleaning your brushes at least once a week. Stay tuned. I am actually going to make one more video today to show you how to clean your Perfector. Bye.